So today we're in Cork, which is an island, and I want to show you, this is the bus stop. I'll show you where it is now. So it goes to West Cork. You can get the bus here to West Cork, yeah, like Bantry, Skibbereen, Inch. Anyway, it goes in that direction: Skibbereen, Bandon, Clonakilty. So this is the bus stop. You can also get a bus to Dublin at the same sort of area. So there it is. That's the bus there, which goes to West Cork. And so across the bridge there, you've got the main bus station, and you've got Dunstores. Up there's the bowling alley and McCurtain Street. So you can see there is the bus station, the West Cork bus. It's just there behind the tree. So this is the beautiful River Lee. That's Dunstores over there, and the bus station. Smile for the camera. So that's the bus station there, and then you've got Duns, and there's the West Cork bus. So I think I already said there, this is the beautiful River Lee. Got a little panoramic view. And so that's the bus station there, the main bus station, which is next door to Dunstores. You cross the bridge here, and on the right hand side you have the bus to Cork, Skibbereen, Clonakilty and Bandon. And so there's quite a few bridges. So I'd say this is the main bus station. Don't quote me here, bus Aaron, bus something or other. Anyway, it says on it, the main bus station, which I do believe they are, and up that road there to the right, that is Patrick's Church. If you go to the right there, you go to the railway station, which is Kent Railway Station. So that's the main bus station there. You can get a bus to Dublin, Cork, Wexford, even Derry, Belfast, you know. Best to book online. Across there you got the Metropolitan Hotel, and there's a casino just a little bit further down. So if I don't know if you notice any difference in my camera work. I'm using a selfie stick. There's quite a few people on bikes here. Someone was complaining that the camera was held too low, so that's probably too high. There's a bit of wood or something in the wood there, look. In the river. What's doing there? Could be a log or something. Can we get across? Oh, well, that was fucking dangerous. So as I say, there is the bus station. You've got express buses and all that. So I'm now going to show you how to get to the airport. Nice flowers, eh? So this is the bus station. So basically, that's Stone Stores there. So we're going to walk through the bus station. So that bus is going to Cork. Well, we're in Cork, so it must be going somewhere else. Cookstown, Kilmurray. That's towards Macroom. So that's the main bus station. We're not going to go inside. I think I've already done a video of the inside. That's very popular in Cork. Coke, Coca-Cola. So there's no ways of getting here. The way I did it, I come through the bus station. So in the distance there, over that bridge, is the West Cork, Killarney bus. But just, if you come through the bus station like I do, wherever you get here, where those people standing down there is the bus to the airport. I think it's €2.20. It's pretty cheap. Must be subsidised. This one time was the dog's home. I got my dog, it was in that window there, must have bricked up. But yeah, my dog. So where those people are standing, I'm not going to go too close filming, is that's where you get the bus to the airport. I have to say it's €2.20. Don't quote me on the time, it's probably 15 minutes. So let's just look back. There's the bus station there. The bus station. And this is where you get the bus to the airport, which is across that bank thingy-majigs there. And it's outside O'Brien's. So we'll say thanks for watching. If you would, put a like for me and maybe subscribe. Cheers.